Welcome guys, so today I am with TCL 30 SE and I'm going to show you how camera pro mode looks in this phone. To enter the camera pro mode, you have to click on displays and then tap on the pro mode. As you can see right now, we are in the pro mode and we can click on this information icon where we can find description of every parameter. Okay, right now I'm going to show you how we can set up these parameters. So we will go between the ISO, shutter speed, exposure compensation, white balance and the focus. We can open this menu and enable other option like touch to shot. You can enable camera leveler, or for example you can enable camera timer. Okay, and that's all for the TCL 30 SE. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.